quick video. If you want to restore, frickin' truck. If you want to restore your shutters and they're faded, I have a video on power washing, but some of them just didn't come back. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and grab yourself some of this Rust-Oleum, okay? Ultra Cover paint and primer. It's good for plastic, metal, wood, and much more. Grab some newspaper, some junk mail paper you got in the mailbox. You don't even have to take this off the house. Stick it in between, tape it, go underneath a couple inches, tape it. Got a lot of activity today, a lot of trucks going by. You're gonna prepare it like this. Make sure there's no wind in the forecast. We're gonna shake that can up and we're gonna give it a few passes. Left, right, up, down, you know the process. We're gonna stay 6 to 8 inches away. We're gonna give it one coat, see what it looks like, and then we'll give it another coat. Yo, Sonny! Okay, so shake up your can and just left and right, up and down. Don't go crazy with it because you can do a second coat. You don't want any drips. Get the sides here. Get the top, sides, and we'll just do the front. I mentioned you want to clean these first, hit them with a power washer. If you don't have one of those, grab your hose and then just quickly go over them, maybe with some bleach and water. Remember, you don't want to go crazy on your first coat. Back and forth. All right, let me finish this up and then we'll stand back and take a look at it. There's one, and you can just see the difference. Yeah, it's a little bit brighter than I thought, but we'll see how it looks when it turns. If it's too bright, you can always go get another paint and dull it down a little bit. Another paint job. Very quick and easy. The paint's only about $6 a can. All right, so there it is. It's finished, first coat, and that's it. You're gonna want to let it dry. Don't take anything off. Let it dry, and make sure there's no drips on it. Okay. That's how you restore one of your shutters without replacing it or taking it off the house. What do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! Sonny! All right, this is the finished product. Looks nice. They came out nice. I don't have to replace them, and they're spruced up. And the blue isn't as bright as I thought. So we'll catch you on the next one. I appreciate it. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up. And comment below if it's something you've done in the past. Where are you, pal? Sonny, what are you doing in the shade?
Yeah, Sonny.